We're trying to do a big push for Cody at Cadence Manufacturing right now. I really do think that the Cadence Manufacturing bits are the best bits for hobby CNCs. Cody's the only guy out there who's actually doing something for the hobby style CNC machine. You know, most bits and bit companies, they make bits for general purpose. So you buy an end mill and it's good for wood, it's good for light metals. You know, it's a more generalistic design. And what Cody has done is he's taken the custom bit game, because in the industry, a lot of custom tooling is done very specifically for the type of industry that people are in. So woodworking guys have bits made specifically for woodworking. Same thing in metal shops. And when you get to your higher end machines, many of the machines use specific custom tooling. And you know, that was Cody's background, was in custom tooling. And so when he started making these bits for hobby CNC machines, they are designed for the lower chip loads. They're designed for the instability. They have that larger core. They have better geometry. And that's one of the reasons why I'm a super big supporter of Cody and Cadence Manufacturing. I really believe that what he's doing, I mean, he's a one guy in a shop in Arizona with a bit cutting machine, and he's developing these things. They're crowdsourced as far as the testing. He has them tested on all these hobby style CNC machines, you know, and then once those have been tested and are ready for market, you know, it's all a grassroots sort of campaign that he's running. And, you know, he only has the support of a handful of guys on the internet who's helping him push those bits. And to be honest, he's innovated several bits. I mean, the Groovy Jenny with the world's first downcut V bit, he was the first one to design that. The original Jenny bit with the very low upcut portion, that was another innovation of Cadence Manufacturing. He created a bowl bit recently. I mean, all these things that Cody is doing is supporting the little guy, supporting the hobby style CNC machines. And, you know, some of the other companies that I'm not going to name have stolen his designs. I mean, they released a bit that was identical to his bits a few months after he posted that. And that's a whole different topic and subject, but you know, we as a community of hobby CNC guys, you know, we should be supporting the little guys. We should be supporting mom and pop shops that are making a difference, who are making innovations into an industry that hasn't been innovated in. And so, you know, that's the main reason why Timber Falls, myself, you know, that I push Cody's bits and his products, because I believe in what he's doing. And he's a super nice guy. So I can't say enough great things about him. Anyway,